Hello students, Kajal Miss back with you. Today I am going to teach you a topic called as percentage. ठीक है, percentage का basic, the fundamental thing I am going to teach you. Okay, I know you must be knowing what percentage is briefly, लेकिन एग्ज़ाम में अगर तुम्हारे questions आते हैं, there is where you get stuck and you tend to lose marks. And if at all you will know where you're losing marks, you'll really repent. तुमको बहुत बुरा लगेगा, अरे इतना easy topic है और इतने marks हमारे lose हो जाते हैं. I'll teach you to make percentage sums, the solutions of this very easily. And this percentage topic is going to be helpful to you all your life. School में right from 7th standard, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th या whatever, in way ahead तुम्हारे practical life में, real personal life में भी percentage topic is very important. Okay, now percentage का मतलब क्या होता है? Percentage means out of 100. अगर हम लोग कोई भी एक चीज़ को 100 हिस्सों में बांटेंगे, उसमें से कितने हिस्से तुम्हें मिले हैं, that is called your percentage. For example, say marks. Okay, so if I say marks, okay, if your test is out of 100 and you are scoring say 90, so your percentage would be 90. 100 में से 90 मिला ना, so that will be 90%. Or you say if it is not 100 mark का paper, if it is of 50 marks, okay, and in case out of 50 you are scoring say 45 marks. अब ये 45 out of 50 is how much percent? This is what I am going to teach you in this class, and also whatever is given in your textbook. Okay, first I'll tell you what 45 out of 50 is. Very easy to find. See, 45 upon 50 into 100. 1 time, 2 time, 90, same percent. Got it? So let me teach you how this goes. Now, the very first thing that comes in your textbook is convert the percentage into fraction. Convert percentage into fraction. This is what they give you as a first question. Okay. For example, if they say you 20%, my dear students, एक चीज़ हमेशा याद रखना, अगर percentage का sign दिया है ना, if percentage sign is given, that means it is upon 100. If percentage sign is not there in percentage का question, put multiply by 100. This is the crux of it. तुम इसी में कंफ्यूज हो जाते हो, टीचर डिवाइड कब करना है, मल्टीप्लाई कब करना है. अब यहाँ पे साइन दिया हुआ है ना परसेंटेज का, कभी भी तुम परसेंटेज का साइन देखो, उसका मतलब होता है अपॉन 100. ओके, इसको कन्वर्ट करो फ्रैक्शन में. 1 टाइम, 21 टाइम्स, 25 टाइम्स. Now, what if they tell you to convert fraction into percentage? For example, if I am taking a test of a child and the child is scoring 11 marks out of 16. 11 out of 16. अब इसको percentage में convert करना है, तो क्या करोगे? Now, as I told you, do you see any percentage sign here? नहीं ना? Put multiply by 100. Simple. 4 4s are 16. 4 25s are 100. ठीक है, अगेन दिस इज नॉट मल्टीप्लाइड, हम विल पुट दिस इन डेसिमल. सो 25 into 11 is how much? 275 अपॉन 4. 275 अपॉन 4 डेसिमल में डालो. 4 6 are 24. नहीं, वेट, 4 8s are 32. Now put a decimal. 4 7s are 28 and 4 5s are 68.75 marks. A percentage, sorry, 68.75%. Like this, you will get one more question, that is convert ratios into percentage. See, my dear children, ratios and fraction is same. The only thing is the way we write is different. अब ये बताओ, this is the ratio. You put 2 dots in between and you write here. ठीक है? अपॉन में भी वही होता है, दिस इज अपॉन ओनली, दिस इज अ फ्रैक्शन एंड अ रेशियो इज द सेम थिंग, into 100. Because there is no percentage sign here, put a multiply by 100. Cut a 0, 0, 4 2s are, 4 5s are. Is that okay? Now, how will you write this? 23 into 5 upon 2. Okay? Now, either multiply and then divide by 2, या फिर you have other ways of doing it. I'll multiply and do. This is 115 upon 2. 115 का हाफ कितना होता है? Forget, 115 is an odd number. 114 का हाफ कितना होता है? I think it is 57. Okay? और 1 जो बच गया उसका हाफ 0.5%. Is that clear? Next is convert percentage into decimal. Okay, convert percentage to decimal. इसको point to point लगाओ. For example, if it is 73%, so it would be 73 upon percentage का साइन है ना बच्चों, तो 100. Okay, अब 73 upon 100 को डेसिमल में कैसे डालोगे? 1 2 and how many zeros are there? 2. पीछे से 2 नंबर छोड़ के डेसिमल 0.73. This is how you have to convert. जितने ज़ीरो होते हैं डिनोमिनेटर में उतने नंबर काउंट करो, पीछे से नंबर पॉइंट काउंट करो. 2 0 मतलब 2 नंबर छोड़ के डेसिमल. एंड टू शो दिस डेसिमल वी हैव टू पुट दिस 0, नहीं तो ये 0 की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. इट इज़ 0.73 बट वी कॉल इट 0.72. कुछ तो होना चाहिए, इसलिए 0.73. The other type of question that appears in exam is convert the decimal into percentage. Convert इसमें decimal to percent. Okay, decimal to percent. समझो 0.37 तो कैसे लिखोगे? Listen children, is there any sign of percentage given here? Not given, but यहाँ पे दिया है percentage का कुछ करना है. So what you will do? Multiplied by 100. 37 upon, ये देखो point मतलब 1, 2 नंबर उसके बाद यानी 2 0. Multiply by 100. Why? Because we have to convert that into a percentage. Okay? Cut. Answer is 37%. था ना सिंपल? है ना सिंपल? That's all for today students. इसमें you can go ahead. I'll plan to make one more video on this. Please watch. First practice hard on this. Okay? Keep YouTubing, keep learning, don't waste your time, and please comment on which other topics you want me to make videos on. Thank you.